If you experience any kind of lag issues in Premiere Pro, there is an easy way to solve this. Go to Edit and then click on Preferences and then get to Memory here. So when you go into this box, you will see RAM reserved for other applications 4.9, or a lot of RAM will be reserved for other applications. So when you check how much RAM is available for Premiere Pro, there is only 1 GB of RAM, which is very less for Premiere Pro to run smooth. So to solve this, we are just going to decrease this as much as we can, so the RAM reserved for Premiere Pro will increase more. That is how you can solve the lag issues, and please set the rendering for performance and not for memory. When you add a lot of effects in a particular video or a project, the preview will not be very smooth and it will stutter at some point of time. So to solve the problem, there's a simple way where you can change the playback resolution. If you set it at full, this will automatically stutter and it will give the best resolution. If you have high-end systems, this will be pretty much good. But when you add a lot of effects in the mid-range system, this will start to lag. The preview won't be smooth. For that, you can always set it to half or quarter to change the playback resolution, and the preview will be very smooth. There's a sample project I opened, and there's a lot of tracks. Let's say you can add tracks of about 7 and another 7 tracks as I added now. So when you add a lot of tracks, you can see, but I'm only using one. I'm only using only one track and the rest of it are pretty much empty. So how do you delete all the tracks is by right clicking and click on delete tracks over here. When you click it, you can see there are 2 options, video tracks and audio tracks. You can click both and check these all empty layers and then click OK to delete the empty tracks. You can also check an individual track to delete them which you don't need. Now for now I'm just going to click OK, and you can see all the created tracks are now deleted which are empty. The non-empty tracks are left just like that. This is a very easy way to delete all the empty tracks without any problem. I have a sample project here again, but this time I want to start playing from here and this to this part. So I only need to focus on only from this area to that area. As you can see, for every time I have to move the time slider to that part whenever I want to focus on that. So there's a simple way where you can change the focus of your timeline to that point or that area. So without moving the time slider, we can always click the start point here and click on mark in. So wherever you have to end it, you can click the mark out. So you can always start from this and then end over here. So that is how your project timeline will be set, and you can pretty much focus in this area without moving the time slider again and again. When you want to add in effects, you will go to the effects panel and you will start to search for an effect and directly drag it to this video wherever you have. So this is not a good thing to do, because whenever you add an effect directly to the video, you might have to change it again and again. So there is a way where you can stop doing that and use the adjustment layer over here, which acts as an overlay that will be on top of your video. And whenever you add your effects onto the adjustment layer, it will automatically be transparent, so the effect is directly added to the video over here. This is how you have to add your effects, so you can align it whenever you want, and you can always change it to whatever you want to. There'll be a lot of customized option when you use adjustment layer, and the project will be very clean and smooth than to add the effects directly to the video. Thanks for watching. If you learned something from this video, give a thumbs up. I will meet you in the next video.